Welcome back again with a new episode, and in this episode we will go and create a free Azure portal account to explore cloud computing features related to Microsoft Azure. So let's begin this episode. I just type create free Azure account. Here you can see that I just click on the Azure official site. And as I continue, you will find two options. Here you can see that start free or buy now. So you just click on the start free button and process will be initiated. Here you can see that I'm using teachonudemy@gmail.com as in my email address. So you can also contact us via this email address if you have any queries, or if you want to give us any kind of feedback related to our training program. So here I have selected my region. Now I type my first name and then last name, my email address and my cell number. Here you can see that, and click on the next button. And now I select the text me, so it will send a code on my cell number and I can proceed further. When this procedure is completed, then you will get $200 amount from Microsoft, where you can perform number of activities on Azure portal. So I get code on my cell number. I just want to type this code 899382. I will verify the code and then follow the simple options by which I can create this account. And all these steps are uploaded in a document. With this training, you can download that specific document and create your own Azure portal account and proceed by exploring further features related to the Microsoft cloud computing technology. Okay, here you can put your Visa card information and all relevant information for creating your own account. And when you're done with all activities related to the Microsoft Azure portal, you can also deactivate this account before 1 month. Okay, so let's begin with further exploring features related to the cloud computing technology.